It looks like an operation theater, but you all know, जो हम रोज बात करते हैं कि in operation theater, the person who is under operation, उसको हम बचाते हैं from the germs and all the things, infections. And here, the person who are conducting that procedure should remain safe from the corpse. If उसके अंदर dead body के अंदर कोई ऐसा problem है, तो जितने भी हमने hazards पढ़े थे, तो इसमें आपकी जो ventilation है, that is slightly different. हमारा जो sterilization है slightly different. The main approach is the autopsy lab and the person who is conducting autopsy as compared to the person who is on the table. So main difference of operation theater and autopsy room is that. And this is frequently asked question in the Viva. How would you differentiate an operation theater? What are the similar things and what are the different things? So similarities are also there because दोनों में एक procedure हो रहा है, दोनों में आपको कुछ prerequisites हैं जो follow करने हैं, ठीक है. Sterilization दोनों में होनी चाहिए, but कुछ main differences हैं which are in both cases.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Kokar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.